So I'm going to draw on this black stone with a pencil. It will be hard to see what I draw, but I'm going to draw designs similar to this very lightly, just so that I have a idea of where to place my dots, because I'm going to be making dots for the design. So I'm going to just draw my lines for my fireworks. And it's okay if the designs overlap a little, or if you don't follow those lines exactly, you can change it. So I have 3 fireworks, a large one and 2 small ones on the side, and you can adjust that. This is what is called an embossing tool. It has a one size dot on one end and a larger dot on the other end. And I was thinking that I was going to use the blue for the middle one and the center with a bigger dots. So I'm going to dip my embossing tool in the paint and I'm going to make dots following my lines. So I kind of got the center. I'm going to just wipe off that just so it's somewhat clean. I'm going to use a smaller dot and continue on my lines. So now I'm going to change colors and do one of my other. This one. White is going to be the most fun on this black rock. So there is my fireworks painted rock. I can paint yeah, I think I'm gonna paint the word. I'm gonna paint July. Fourth. And that's our painted rock.